Did you know that humans spend a third of their life sleeping? Yes, an average person sleeps through 1/3 of their life, which is insane when you think about it. However, statistics say that 1 in every 3 adults in the United States doesn't get enough sleep at night, which means there are a lot of tired people walking around. Sleep is extremely important for our body because it helps it repair itself and get ready for the next day. On the other hand, sleep deficiency can lead to diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney disease, heart disease, and even stroke. So if you want to take good care of your body, then you need to know the perfect time to fall asleep and wake up. But before we teach you how to get a good night's sleep, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Start with choosing when to wake up. According to the latest research, there's no difference between waking up in the afternoon or early in the morning. That means to find a sleeping schedule that suits you best, you need to know when you want to get up the next day. However, in order to wake up fresh and relaxed, you need to stick to waking up at the same time every single day. You should know how much time you need for sleep. Unfortunately, there is not a fixed amount of sleep you need to get every night. For example, when you were just a kid, you probably slept up to 14 hours a day. But when you got to your 20s or 30s, you realized that you need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. If you really want to know how much time you need for sleep, just listen to your body and do whatever feels natural. Calculate what time to go to sleep. So, now that you know how many hours can make you feel fresh the next day and what time you want to wake up, all you need to do is calculate what time to go to sleep. And if you stick to that schedule, your body will adjust naturally and pick up the new sleeping pattern. This means that if you know 7 hours of sleep is enough for you and you decide you want to get up at 7 a.m. every morning, then you should have to go to bed at midnight. However, if you decide to get up at 5 a.m., then you would need to adjust your sleeping pattern to go to bed at around 10 p.m. Getting up early is not always better. Most people believe that in order to wake up fresh and relaxed, you need to go to bed around 10 p.m. However, recent research conducted at Harvard University was able to debunk this myth. It turns out that even the night owls can perform great during the day, as long as they get the same amount of sleep every night. This means that if you go to bed at 2 a.m. and wake up at 9 a.m. every day, you won't have any issues because you're constantly doing the same thing. Keeping a consistent sleep schedule is the key. According to research, a consistent sleeping schedule will do wonders for the quality of your sleep. This will help you fall asleep easier and make you happier and smarter as well. But not getting enough sleep during the week and clocking in extra hours over the weekend can only lead to poor cardiovascular health, diabetes, and obesity. Going to bed late requires extra sleep hygiene. Did you know that sleep hygiene is very important to the quality of your sleep? That's right. Doing things such as sleeping in a bright and noisy environment, going to bed hungry, and watching a stressful or exciting movie before you go to bed can only make your sleep hygiene worse. Instead, make sure you go to bed relaxed, turn off all notifications, and keep the electronic devices away so you don't get the urge to mindlessly scroll through your socials. It really doesn't take that much to get a good night's sleep, and with proper timing, you will feel refreshed and relaxed every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.